Come back, don't make sense. Stop. So you're running. You're running, right?
Papa Chilo. See, man, tell you, can't now.
Oh my God. What have I done to deserve all this? What?
Papa, my you want to? Baba got no side day. Baba got no side they exist. So you no go fit kill you. Nobody fit do am. Only Baba God fit do am. Chiso, do you realize you are a woman? Chiso, now they do for her.
Wait a minute. So you know all that you are doing, right? You know everything that you are doing, Chiso.
See, the cocoa be say, anytime when you mess up, I go dey treat your fuck up. I go treat her well.
Chiso, I am your fuck up. Did you hear that?
Chiso.
Yeah, fuck up. Chiso.
Mama, tell your husband, babe, go check himself.
Chiso. God, what have I done? Have I done to deserve all this? Woman, you and your daughter call me fuck up. You guys come back and tell me how I am fucked. I am fuck up, yeah. Your daughter said I am fuck up. Right. Hey. She's so fuck up.
Do this thing very well, eh? Do it very well. Why jumping like a frog? Hey, student! Come here, where are you going? Come.
Now who you talk to? Who? You dey call us now? Now we need to talk to.
If first of all ask this animal, the people when they refer to.
No. If not be we, who else you gonna talk to? Who else talk to?
Come on, will you shut up and answer my question?
Sorry, sir, please. Don't mind them. They're truants. They keep walking around the street. They're not part of your student. Please, sorry, sir. Don't mind them. Let them be.
Go.
I just pass it.
What do you call this thing? What do you call this, Babu?
Me, Babu.
This will be at this 9 o'clock, sir. We keep the face like in Shamrock in the pot.
Now wait, you carry this amount where they take the chop bitter cola and cola nut. Not the one where they bitter way. Now you tell us, shut up. Millionaire. 2 millionaire.
In our mind.
Now you take this man to call us, shut up.
He is our teacher and master. And everything we know today, he taught us them.
Wham! Tell them.
This man, if you not be say I get respect for you for saying waka. You know the shame? See your biabia.
Goshen, na my master. Now he teach me.
He never reach your second son. You don't have the point.
And what happened now? I don't go school when I be small.
He taught us.
Big man like you be big fool. Now this Martin, this Abu. Now they call your master.
He's my master and teacher. Make una find your own come out.
If you see us on the way again, give us this insult. You small the there. We go deal with you.
Your papa said make you go school. No one goes school. You no go allow us make we do the thing we will do for school.
May the good Lord have mercy on both of you.
Yes. Come on. They're not part of us, sir.
Look at this. These two grown up.
They keep going everywhere.
Have you finished? Let's go.
That place where you go shoot, you know whether they put on
Talk about shit here. Now they get a stomach rolling. Now they run.
if they get stomach rolling, now make it
this position we do now. Yeah, you know, things happen on this road. Understand? Just relax and they wait something.
Ollie baby, sawa, oh my God now. Ollie, long time no see.
They call you my brother.
What is your problem?
You don't see my brother where they call you my brother. They call you the Wakala person where we happen pass. See my brother they call you.
Okay, what is your problem this morning, eh? See, I don't have time to attend to your questions, so if not from my master one or my books, which I've married. See.
Okay. Come, what you talk? Okay, so all one that's dwarf don't the master you now, she? Don't the master you.
You heard me right.
I heard you right. Wait. So, Ogon and book now. Now they important pass my brother. We don't they love you, Tete. Don't use love, scatter your head.
Now, can't
use love, finish. Go, Ole. Now me stand there, they talk to you like that. Me. You stand there, they talk to me like that. You forget everything what they do for you. You there, they tell me say in a book, now they marry you now. Chai. If say I no get serious love for you, I for say me water carry you.
Come, Pio. Both of you. You need to go to school so you can be literate.
Oli, they go. You they go, Oli. But how do you what they do for you? You forgot what this is. We need to go to school. You forget all these things. Bros, you know what happened? Forget this girl. This all how about this girl? Who know that need your care? And they go anywhere again. And they go anywhere. Now because of this ugly girl, where get to? Where I be that fish? Now you just say, how about I need your care? Best.
Yes, if you people have deco, you will find out that we are complete. Oh yes, there is no Ellen here amongst us. So I summoned this meeting for all of us here to assimilate good things about our family. I mean, how to go forward.
Wait. This is wickedness. Why are you wicked? Now who they blow all this baby grammar give? You don't say we don't go to school like you. We reach the level where you reach. You just use grammar, they scatter our head here. Which kind of thing be this? Why are you wicked to mankind?
Exactly the same reason why I called this meeting. You see, a man of my caliber, timber and caliber, a man of high repute, talk about reputation, a man of high dignity and integrity. That's me. To have at least one elite. But look at all of you. I must say that I am disappointed and ashamed in three of you.
Papa, what do you talk?
But I am disappointed in all of you.
You're disappointed?
Yes, and I'm ashamed.
Papa, make I ask you. Since when you born us, now you know how you carry mama enter room. Now do what you like, mama come born us. Since when I born us for this village, police don't come here carry you come out to go lock you, say now we cause them. Since when you born us for village here, somebody found don't miss. The person point us say now we tifa. Now question what they ask you. Papa, you don't keep money, we call it. Happy we don't disappoint Papa before.
Asa, not been there yet, Asa. Why don't you just keep quiet and listen to him? Let him conclude.
Hey! Chineke! If you say Mama, you just support them. Jay! I don't know say yourself, you are bad, oh. You are supporting this man. All this way they tell they put us for head. You just support them. I don't like it.
Hey! Will you shut up? Shut up that you are trapped. And seal it up and listen to me very, very attentively.
Papa. See, anyone where you talk when you get objection. Obsessor.
You are a dullard. Have you seen what I am talking about? The need for you to go to school. Look at you. The simplest English word, objection, you cannot pronounce very well.
Objection!
Shut up!
Objection!
Not when I am talking. Look at you. Now, for information, I've heard so much about Professor Ogwon. Yes, he is well lettered. I've met with him, and I've been able to pay your school fees. Even I have registered all of you, three of you. So be prepared. You will be going to school or start schooling next week, Monday. Next week, Monday, three of you.
Papa, what do you talk?
Next week, Monday, you will go to school.
Papa, you know, say, if not be say, now you bonus, you don't take one for they call you Wayo man. You. Papa, you are who? You are who planned this one? So, Papa talk.
Papa, point of correction. Make I correct you now. Advice now I won't give you. As it is so now, that leg where you take go there, go pay for that school fees. Go back, go collect your money. Because I don't feel go that school. The one where I get, don't do for me. You must do that your leg. I don't fear you again, though. I don't fear you again. Which guy one say you don't go pay for school for us? Eh? They tell you say, even if we fear for school, maybe inside our mind, we fear them fast.
Hey, shut up and say up that to your mouth.
And let me tell you something. I'm okay with Nkembunisi. I'm very much okay with the one where I get. Make I tell you now. I don't come out.
Hey, get back here. Where do you think you are going to? You want to walk out on me?
But I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm very much okay.
Why don't you sit back and listen to your father?
She's not for where? I don't tell you say that I'm okay with what I have in this brain. I'm okay.
You know what you are? Olodo Rabata. That's what the idiot. You okay?
Papa,
Rascally okay.
now lie, Papa. No be little people they call us illiterate. Now our name, what would the answer first?
The word is illiterate, not illiterate.
Are you walking out on your father?
Hey, I'm walking in.
Hey. Otike Mwele. Look at your abdomen. Hey, attack him.
Bye. Please, I'll talk to them when they come back, please.
And you, just get ready to start school on Monday.
Else.
Or else what, Papa? Eh? Or else what? I beg. I brought some men away for me at the call. Wait.
Ijele want to learn. Ijele.
Hey, what you man know? Why you failure no? Oh, na you go be here. Oh, na what you no to get na igwe.
Wait.
Hey, what you know? Why you failure no? Oh, na you go be here. Ogogo kwa gibe ya to get no heji mani o. Talk with it. Aba, ubi, obia, Iza. Bottom.
Wait. You don't know what you did play. What's be a problem? You don't go cram now. Which cram where you go? Come, make I just tell you the truth, oh. Because I don't think that thing will not just tell me, nana. Una papa no do right, oh. You see una papa? Instead of una papa go call una, come tell una say make him want to share in property, give una, or make him bring out money, go marry for two of una. Wetin come dey tell una na say make una go school, education, buy book. Which school where una want to go? School where una no go when una dey small, and now una don grow rich like a grandpapa them. Now una want to go. Make I just tell you now, you no go fit to work, oh. In fact, me, I don't even like education. I don't even like school. The one would even invest me past be say, this small girls, then they for this ogwom, this akabo, this one, and then they there for their hand. All the girls who did this village their hand, papa them, mama them, everybody just respect that dwarf. Like say, na Catholic bishop. Oh, na papa don't do good though.
I don't feel use my mouth talk my own. You did there.
I did.
My girl, when they carry my money, they sponsor. They do anything when she like. They buy anything when she like. She stand in presence of me where you did. Open her mouth to talk say, na book, na they marry and now. You know they there.
Please scatter my head.
Which book could be that?
Scatter my head.
I don't know whether or not when they write inside there. Oh, but I don't know.
What did the book?
Book pass us. It pass us.
We education there inside the brain.
Book will be taboo. Make una no just talk anything. That's why anytime when this kind of thing dog, una supposed to come they seek my own advice because na me senior to. Now make I tell you now, wetin go happen. Una go declare war on books. In fact, on every book. The book. You see that girl book, anywhere you see her, tear am. Don't way no go fit to tear, burn am into pieces. Anywhere where hide in books or anywhere where they carry and go, drag am, tear am, burn am. By the time when I burn and finish, you go see the book when you go take go that school again.
This is when talking true.
This makes sense, so it makes sense. Now we go do one day. It is your care now. It your care. Now the highest sense be this.
I beg.
Now we go start on today.
I beg. If we would have born anything, when would they born? We could not born 7 book of Moses.
See, but I tell you, burn every book. Anyone where you they say blood of Jesus. If you see 7 book of Moses, burn them. Tell them the blood of Jesus. The only thing where I know tell them I go burn no. Na Bible. Mona no born Bible. If you born Bible, you go just see Jesus Christ. Where he just get up. Now slaps. Die.
It's just better.
Before they do, don't crazy.
If Jesus give us time, two of us, we go rapture.
But you get within the night for my mind. Why Papa they force us make we enter education?
And I don't like him.
If you like say Papa don't begin to pursue woman. How Papa can't look us, finish. Look me as I dey, look my belly, look my chest. Because they tell me make I enter one class with all these girls where the village here, where they smell comfort.
They even go for gazi. No put it Papa for woman material.
Baby, it's like you're afraid of touching you and leaving your life.
No, now.
What is no now? So if I do you like this,
That useless boy in Pew. Yes. He has been disturbing
let's
me.
forget about that matter and do what we come here for.
That's why I love you. You know I love you.
Ole. Go, just turn. Oh, big bakasi. Turn again. Turn.
Ali,
Look at something, eh?
what did they do? What did they do with this thing?
Which thing?
Ali, what did they do with this
What's
monster
the
over there?
problem? You and him. Who be Zebdiah?
Man.
Come. Stop intruding into my love affair. Do you hear me?
Ali, come. Ali, that's why I go tell you, make you leave this thing. Follow me. Anything will be your problem for this world, I go do it for you. Ali, you don't forget that the whole love where they pass for you. Even the whole thing where they come from my heart to your own heart. You don't forget that.
Come. I've told you times with that number. I have found the best thing for my life.
Ali, come. Okay, you get what I want to make you do now. Between me and this man Zebediah.
Don't call him Zebdiah.
But the fruit is another. Look at the face. These are not the nice face. Ali, just point the person where you love, the person where you like, the person where you cherish, the person where you did, where you carry all your mind like.
I can see you're not yet convinced with what you said. My angel.
Happy. Go. Come here. Come, go catch them.
Catch who? Now waiting again. Now which kind of rubbish be this? Wait.
Come. Obom the teacher. Nah, you carry all in my baby. Come off for my face. Me. Come, catch them.
Wait. Just check. Whether now in the afternoon. I've been in the morning. Why did you stop me? Why did you talk like this? Okay, we check. Check out. You see him? But let me try this rubbish next time. I won't sleep.
This is my dream already. So to what? See clear.
Danger. How are you? Fine. I waited for you. Say make you bring my palm wine this morning. I not come see you. Now make I decide to carry my body. Make I come meet you for house. Find out whether you well or not. What thing happen?
Well, I have chosen education, which is very, very important in every man's life. What's that supposed to mean?
Waka. Say you don't do anything. You choose education. Education. Chai. Hey. Oh. Waka. You know read the school when you just small. When your brain they okay. Now we palm wine self as you the tap palm wine self. Now your brain self they enter inside the palm wine. Now you say you won't come go school.
Is that one insult or what?
Which insult? Okay, wait to make I ask you. Who go pay your school fees?
Well, my children are always there for me.
Oh! Who there for this place? Make una come, make una come hear person when done mad before. Come cure himself while in the talk. What are you? You open your mouth to say your children go train you. Children when you know train for school. Now you say that they won't go come train you now because they get money.
Is that one insult or what?
Now insult, you don't know say this in a course. Now, cause so, make I just tell you. See, wait till me tell you. He says you dey here. You and Papa don't become husband and wife. You know they possible for you to leave your wife. Say you won't go education. You don't go fit to work.
Well, I will not be here, having some trash with you. I have to go.
Say what kind of they speaking grammar? Trash. Look when you trash. Hey! See, look at waka. Look what you like. Now the new step where they give you. What can you be idiot? Oh? Foolish idiot. Now you want to be. See one can we supposed to. Come on, that one not concern me. Oh. You see tomorrow, and the wait for my pan wine. If I don't see her, then you go know say something that happen for this. Hey! Why can't they go school? Okay now.
Chiso, very soon you will become a mother. And I'm sure you wouldn't want any of your child to behave the way you're behaving. Would you?
Mama, you don't carry your wahala come again, oh? Mama, free me now, Allow me. May I teach Papa the lesson where he deserve?
Chukwajo, God forbid. How can you say that about your father? Do you want to kill him?
Mama, that man no be my father. Mama, he be my real enemy, and I go to treat him the way he deserve.
God forbid. How can you say that about your father? The man that impregnates me, and I gave birth to you. You call him your real enemy. What kind of nonsense is that?
Mama, not be just my enemy, but now my real enemy with capital letter E.
God forbid.
Anyway, Sham. Hope say me and my brothers never make you vex.
Chiso.
Mama.
He's my husband. Whatever it is that affects him, affects me. Just like you and your brother.
Mama, you know sir, I sit down here since they listen to all this is way they talk. Now because of saying they talk amo. Sure you know. Anyway, Sha, enter inside house. Go ask the man how you take live in life.
Adenjo, this is why I go talk now. And they talk from inside the bottom heart and bottom gate of my heart. Because I don't know it. At the verse. It was a Okoko animal. Don't I got Uposhishi. But Okoko mother. Yeah, be good mother.
All this Oko. You get a chicken bam? I be get a quarter. All this Oko. Tell me something make I hear what they talk. Not be Oko.
Now the thing I want to make you ask me. Let me tell you. The thing where they do me now pass Oko. Iye na ri ugbo akarere apapa. Na iye na go.
Mpio. I never really understand what you dey talk. As I dey all this way you dey talk. I don't understand that. What be the problem? Tell me.
See, Adenjo. Igbo people say, no be to carry glass plate, give dog food. Now when you collect and who go take the plate again, chop?
Then you wash the glass now. You wash the glass, somebody else go take and eat.
Okay, listen now. It's as I talk to you now. I don't declare war. You must follow me to the war.
Now lie. Mpio, that one where you talk. Now lie where you talk. How you go just go set to war? You don't start the war because make I follow you enter war. What you not tell me? What happen for the war? You not tell me whether na Burma war, Palestinian war, Libya war, or even Israeli war, or Pakistani war. Before I go enter inside the thing, you go tell me. Waiting be the war. You know this way you talk like he say if I see any motor, any bus, we just stop, make I enter inside the bus without looking for an ambulance. You don't know what did happen. You don't know. That Ababu, what they call himself, one teacher, I mean, one question. That dwarf, don't collect my brother girlfriend. Now lie where they talk. Now lie you talk. Take my brother girlfriend. He said like if I catch him, if my hand touch him.
Wait, no kill yourself before we see the boy. Wait. You know the one who defends me.
You never tell me the girl now.
Ebube. Aden. No be even taking the girlfriend now they pay me. You know the one who they pay me? That girl no fear. In presence of me and my brother. Now the boy stand they tell me say, na book they marry him now. No be only that one. He can't tell me again say me and my brother they disturb him. Only be when me they do everything. Only be when me they bring my time. Do everything what I supposed to do. Anything where I supposed to give her, and they give them. But the one when they chop from out, but the one when they chop from anywhere, and they give them.
Brother, leave that. Don't do like this because you never do that one.
All these people are there here, they argue with themselves whether you do or you not do or you not do. I don't tell you that the best way they go take do. Make una declare war on book. Book war. You see, as a Palestinian war day, Israeli war day, Lebanon war day, declare war when they call book war. From beginning to the end, from end to beginning. Anywhere where when I see book, see a book. Make I see how you go manage see book to marry instead of marrying you. When I just there, now the same thing what happened to me. See Mwaka now. Mwaka where they give me palm wine, fresh palm wine. Every morning, look me finish, deny me palm wine because of a book, because of education.
You shame now, you shame. It will not affect you now. Smarter you go begin craze.
Me the craze.
It don't affect you. Don't affect you. Don't the craze now. At what time the craze go join everybody with it here. As it be so now, we go finish that boy. We're going to end this matter. Finish this issue now.
Yes, we go end up, but it go good. Make we start from the problem where Impio get. Make we end that one before you go start for the craze.
Okay.
Let's go.
Bring her home. Madam, come, show me education. It is drop her here. Come out the boss. Come out there. You go know where they carry their education from. Bring all of them. Come out that boss. Come out there.
Bank closing. All the book waiting for this village. We go burn and finish. Every book waiting for this village. Operation burn the book. Where you go? Only we go know what you gonna marry now. We don't finish with the books.
Burn.
Yes.
All the education. Burn.
Oh boy. See this boy and this girl they come. Move on.
Run with
Move on.
I never run anywhere. If it doesn't I stand here, may they see me, know what's in my mind. But the sister they're supposed to keep off.
I don't tell.
Did you people kill Lizard? What is happening here? What are you burning?
Nothing. Only say, one of my brother. I joke. I'll be joke.
And more there.
Yeah? Honey? Look at it. Is this not the box containing my files and my documents? Hey. These are the books and my files. Look at the books and my files. And you people are getting burnt here. Why?
Papa, I know say this thing go vex you for mind. What did I tell you? You see this is where they see her, where they born. This is not collect my wife.
What wife are you talking about?
Only honey, only baby, only sweetie.
Is it because of a woman you burnt your father's document?
Mama, let me tell you, you won't understand. Is it not only you're saying? That girl is a special offering, package from heaven, and God send it to me.
Will you shut up your mouth or imagine how we shut you down?
Hey! Look at all that I have labored over years. Over years, the books and files, all my documents get burnt in a minute. Yeah? Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Look at my files. Look at my documents. Oh. Ah!
Remember this start.
start. We never this start to the ball.
Don't do this. Don't do this. Come and help him.
Help what?
Papa, I know your style. You see, I know that this is the pay you for heart. That style, the one you carry for granted. Carry that style, now. Get up. As for me, I go finish what's in my mind. If you want to stay there, stay. If you want to wake up. Mama, you don't hear what I talk.
You know, concern us. There's one leg. Papa, me can tell you. I'll tell you from my brother. I do okay. I do okay. But I do okay. Anyhow, when you take phone, that's the same way you could text them. No, if you like, make epilepsy hold you down. You know, concern us. Hey, this book, we don't burn them. Oh boy, no come out.
So you people are walking away, leaving your father here to die?
Oh, made the education book, collect my
life. Wait, go. Stop. Now, minute over this, sit down, work for. I want you stopping me.
Chisom! Get the water! Chisom!
No matter say we they will laugh, make I tell you the truth. Tell me, they won't understand. Hey! And everything they walk well now.
You don't mean it. As I talk to you now, people don't just surrender anyhow. Now we don't surrender.
Now you take your mouth to ask this guy. Tell me. Our papa now. Hey! Papa. If you see how the man take for granted this morning, hey! You gonna say something don't enter your eye.
Well, we go start this war for the house now. As we dey here now, they talk. My papa, sorry. We papa, they for grand now. The morning booze. And one I joke with him.
Mbadamboke. The man call us this morning. Speak the old grammar with the mouth. Speak from Latin to Latin. From Latin to Latino. From Iketilo to Mpotuino. All the whole grammar we take here. You know we are in land. We can go start school for Odom place. And that's God forbid.
When the papa knows anything, he say something there for this in our brain. Now be say truly, the war don't really start. Oh, you know why I like Una? Because they like charity begins at home. And if you don't take time, we will start from your house.
I want that one. I don't want it. I don't want it at all.
One day, I'll read you okay.
Mbadamboke. Now go inside and get us call again. Don't worry, I'm coming. Do this.
For this village.
Book. You know the thing when they kill them for this village? That's because we never
young babos, waka they kill. Foolishness, na number one palaver. Idleness, na devil smoke shop.
Don't go now, don't kill us. No, I go kill the people now.
We dey look for palaver. Go to
I go look for these girls. Make a boy use this opportunity now. Okay, what if she don't agree? What if she don't agree? She go you go see how she go, and you know say if she agree, she will drop that her book. Let me say we don't start to destroy that man in school.
Go. Since they do it, talk Oliver. Look, you see how nothing got this cup.
Hello, baby, come closer. Good. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Chai, you don't where just they look for you. Where you can go?
Lest I forget my manners. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Means. How do you do?
I'm fine, sir.
Means.
You know that she bow down, greet you. Now the way they take greet that Afrayo man.
You know that they go school. They go school and then when they teach her to say good morning, man. I like it. See, where you can't go since we are the search for you. I don't take I look everywhere. I don't see you. What can happen?
Could you please drop this conversation for now? As you can see, I'm already late to school.
You think don't change?
But I don't carry anything for her where I go drop. The word one won't tell you inside my mouth to speak them to you. Come closer. I love you with all my heart.
Get your filthy hands off me.
Filthy what?
Get your filthy hands off me, please. I don't want to sound vocal or insult you. Excuse me.
Hi. You don't want to sound vocal and insult. That one, if you combine them together, now bomb. Hi.
Oh, what?
Eh? No, come.
You don't say you be mumu, you be idiot. Smoke away, you know the day when Mama Bona. Day I saw to finish, carrying book, they go. No one go catch it. No.
He said next time.
Next time he went.
You forget that. Now, we say Operation Tia every book go there this community. And you let this girl, she go. Good night for just Tia. No face. He promised me say next time, after next time, if the thing don't work like this, we go tear them here. But I know so you go walk. And I know they like to see book. I don't tear them, I don't go tear them. You not gonna come. If Papa go call police for you, that one concern you. I don't leave you go. Sister, I the play. Don't leave you go. Now, when they go call police for you, I tell them, tell you to make it the tear book. I tell you to make it tear you.
You're welcome, Nai. Hey, no. Thank you. You're welcome.
Mazegbe, we are sorry. We heard what happens. That is why we come to sympathize with you. With you.
Yes, thank you. You have done so well. Thank you for coming. If not for God, my children, they don't even care. When their father fell down and was shaking, these boys, they were just less concerned. They just walked off, just like that. They walk away, not even minding that their father was dying.
To that extent?
Yes.
We heard what they did, and that is why we are here.
Sorry. Thank you very much. That's exactly what happened. If it were ordinary papers, it would have been better. But all my certificates, including my gratuity paper, yes, not all of them burnt, yes.
Hey. And where have they been?
Those fools? Nobody has seen them since morning. Nobody has seen them. They've not returned to the house since morning.
It's okay, Mazie. It's okay. Try to put what has happened behind. And face the future.
Yes.
Don't bother yourself much over that.
Yes. Face the future. Do not think much. To avoid you having high blood pressure over it.
That's right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming. I appreciate your concern.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thank you.
We have to go now.
We have to go.
Thank you very much.
Mazegbe, take heart,
Thanks for
Do not think much.
Don't think it much.
Bye.
Yeah,
my regards to your family.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Oh.
Not for these children. Why would these kind of people visit me?
Get them for education, you know get the money, get them for education, as if you don't get the money, get them for education. You don't get education, you don't get the money, I'm beating up you. Go to school, respect yourself.
Right, where you go chop? Come! Where not they go, where not they come from?
What gave you the effrontery? I mean the authority to ask us such a silly question.
Is that the best way to address people?
No. I have the best way. We get the best way to address you. Huh? They have not done the new dance. Please teach them the new dance.
What are you doing? My book?
Take out my book.
What kind of insult is this?
Operation Tia!
Come!
Oh, Tia!
What are you up to?
See, if you don't leave that place now, if you don't leave that place now, you go forget your name. We are going to show you the latest dance in town.
Okay.
Apiti.
Come, is that a threat or what? How can you see our book and ask us to leave?
You want to die?
Shoot them.
You want to die? Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Shoot them. Shoot them.
So, students, our topic for today is right of citizens. Repeat after me.
Right of citizens.
Good. Right of citizens.
Right of citizens.
Good. Right of citizens.
Right of citizens.
Good. The explanation. Right of citizens is the basic condition of an individual which him or her must enjoy in order to live a satisfactory life. Good. And this right of citizens, it is divided into four parts. Are you getting me? Yes, 4 parts. Yes. You can be jotting down. Have pen or paper, just be jotting down. The names of these 4 parts of right of citizens are social rights. Social rights, yes.
Social rights.
No pen? Have no pen. You forgot your pen.
Sir, my pen. I forgot it.
Oh, incredible. You forgot at home. Okay. You just have to check for an good. The number 2 part of it, economic rights, yes? Economic rights. Yes. Economic rights. Number 3 part of the rights of citizens, political rights. Political rights. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Political rights.
Sir, is it political or political?
Political. Intonation. Political. Political rights.
Political rights.
Yes. The last but not the least, legal rights.
Legal.
Not legal. No. Student, you must be funny. Not legal.
I think you said legal.
No. Hear me out. Legal rights.
Okay, legal rights.
Yes. L-E-A-G-A-L. L-E-G-A-L.
Sir, excuse sir. Why not L-E-G-U-L?
No.
You make it legal.
No.
Are you a teacher?
Stop quarreling. You see, my students, this is what we call intonation. Lego, not legal. Lego
right.
So we are going to take them one after the other. Now, social rights. Who amongst you can give me the examples of it? Good. Zenab.
Sir, some example of social rights are 1.
Yes.
Right to life. 2. Right to education.
Good.
3. Right to religion.
Yes.
4. Freedom of religion and conscience.
You have made it all! A sound clap! Good. Yes. Number 2 part of it, which is economic rights. Who will make me proud again? Yes, John.
The economic rights include 1. Freedom to work.
Yes.
And earn a salary. Right to own a property.
Accurate! It sounds clap. Another clap. Good. You students are very wonderful. Yes. The 3rd one, which is political rights. Political rights. Yes. Who wants to prove him or herself? You.
Some of the examples of political rights include 1, the right to associate and to form political parties.
Yes.
2, the right to vote or be voted for. And 3, the right to be appointed to governmental positions.
Hey! Give him a round of applause. Yes, I am making somebody out of you. Yes. You're my students. The last but not the least, legal rights. Who again? Wow! Wow! All hands up. Okay. If I point you, you give me 2 examples of Lego right. 2 examples of Lego right.
The examples of Lego rights include freedom of movement.
Movement.
Freedom from torture. And other degrading treatment.
Correct! Also, Puriasupu. Round of applause for her. Who again? An example.
The 2 examples of Lego right are 1. Freedom from slavery and forced labor. 2. Freedom of access to the law courts.
It sounds clap. Any other person? You? Yes.
The example of legal rights, freedom of movement, respect for private, and family life.
Hey! I didn't see what he has done.
And private correspondence.
Oh, God of mercy! What have I done? Good. Sit down. Anybody else? It's okay. You have all. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Let me try.
Not try. Okay.
The examples of legal rights are freedom from deprivation of personal rights.
Good.
In agreement with the law.
Best! Do you still have anything to say? Fair lady. Anything to say?
Sir, they have said it all.
Is that so?
Yes, sir.
Give yourself a round of applause. Again. I'm so happy for you people. You have made me proud.
Sir,
Yes?
we want to give you a sound clap.
Is that so?
Because without you, we would have still remained in darkness. Class, am I talking?
Yes.
I'm right, Shay?
Yes.
So let's give him a sound clapping. Well done, class, go.
You know, get money, get am for education.
Asaba, my dear. Hey, do you know that our teacher, that boy is extremely good and friendly. Not even minding that he's a small boy of yesterday. What that boy has in his head is too much.
The way he teaches and explains things marvels me.
That means that education does not discriminate and is not a respecter of age.
You are right. That means no matter how old or young you are, education passes all.
There is no alternative to education.
No.
No alternative to education. You either know it or you don't know it.
Hey, my sister. That means anybody in this our nation today that does not go to school, that person is dead. That person is gone already. Hey, nothing will stop me from this my studies.
I will try hard.
Hey, nothing, no, I cannot be stopped.
I will try hard.
Let's go.
You know, get money, get am for education. As if you know, get money, get am for education. You know, get education, you know, get money.
I don't tell my son. Say anything will make me go to school. Even not before. I know they go.
Is that the lesson you did, my man? Is it? If not that Oxford University, Oxford that place for Mbofi. Now I tell my papa today. Papa they rank like saying what they know carry name. If not be that school, me as a day, I no go school. Ask my brother. Ask him.
If the one with the first me be say, these people will go for all this Oxford.
Carry biscuit, they remember.
Okay. Oxford University. Now then they get work, even past we self where they here. Then they get work. Not true. If whether there's a big book or they don't have a book. Now go that way I tell you now.
Go. Make I tell you now. I dey do like this every day. If God go make me a piano, I from here move. Go that
Oxford
University education for that place. Finish and come back. You know the first thing I go do here? To God, who made me? All the Lebanese, all of them were there. When no get paper, oof, I go sing all of them.
I go support you.
Everybody go send for this place.
Me, John, I go support you. I go help you do it because my son don't tell me say. My son say our brothers, all these our sons and daughters, where they go, you go they work. Once their paper, they feel Oyibo, they take dog. Take them, pursue them.
Nkita.
You go take like this. Nkita Muradimba, Muradimba de Kunu, or say the word. Nkita Oji, Muradimba, show his boat also.
Now
who be like dog? Now you don't get respect from you.
We don't be like dog.
I see you.
This is what we call assassin's dog.
I see you. I see you. Send it away the dog. Make it know what the dog. Instead of you to say the dog, be like you.
You leave yourself get head like a cookie.
Me.
You don't call me dog.
That one too much now. Reduce them now.
If say you know be my brother, I go say waka.
Me?
You. I go just
tell me they tell waka be your brother. Where they tell?
Take am na manager.
You see, if just call me another thing, no call me a cookie. It's too bad.
A cookie better person because when hungry catch a cookie, you go take first. Tell him honor. Say hungry the catch am. This one a warning. The second one, the hungry don't enter in vain. Okay, they make.
No matter your height, go to school. No matter your level, go to school. No matter your age, go to school. Education.
Look at school where they go like
in the mat, you go school. Go school there, make that body sort of.
I got all go as a son of people they talk, I go know what they talk. It shall be well with you. You will not die till when you die, Igwe. Glory. Everything go leave for your house here. I bet no verse, Igwe. Guess what I want to see. Where they go?
As you see me, I am going to Sir Agom Adult Education School. That's where I am schooling.
Hey! Igwe! You say you're going to where? Igwe! You won't go sit down for that boy school, the class, making a sort you. In the class, huh?
My pikin, not as you are thinking. You see, education is very, very important. If you don't get education, you don't follow in anything.
Igwe, to fear, not be me and you. I know fit.
Igwe, no verse. No verse here.
Not be me and you.
Bye-bye. Go away, no mention. You see, all the respect why they give this Igwe. In family members, in picking them, the wife go pack up for landlord, come give me back.
Igwe, we go even soon collect that cap from your head. So as they work at a person where we are napping. Igwe. I don't die. What did you make the one that they laugh like this where eat up from window door? Abby.
See. You know Igwe?
Our own Igwe. You.
From today. Go tell you. If you get anything where they hold you an Igwe, don't tell us say me impure. All the respect what they give her, make you pack her for nylon, give me back. Igwe na mumu.
What did Igwe do you?
Tell her.
What did Igwe do?
Tell her.
Wait, tell her what. When make her laugh, they laugh when they laugh me first. Oh, I know they like when somebody they laugh. You know they tell me the thing they tear my hand, they chop inside my hand. Igwe don't go school. Igwe don't. No lie. What do you mean? Igwe don't beg me. Igwe don't start school.
As I tell you now, Igwe there for classroom. They teach an education.
You mean that?
Igwe they learn education now.
I beg, wait, I take up beg now. Make it be like say I no understand Waiting on the talk. Una they tell me say Igwe go to teach or he go make them teach am.
Igwe sit down, they teach him education. How many times one make a
abomination? You know what? Igwe go school with a phone. With a water. Faster they wait for him. Igwe go right, the water go blow out for him. Papa, Igwe go do this like imbecile. No. Man, we don't take this kind of play. When I don't say the way to the top, I feel come up to for this village.
See, as I talk to you now, not say by now. I'm going to flog Igwe for this.
Abomination! Igwe put us. No. You know what you do talk? When I don't take I see Igwe put us before, Igwe put us in the dangerous. Now I say the flog. That bottom is bottomless now.
I'm not going to give you Igwe respect again.
No. This is one of the talk. This one about wait, make on wait. I don't keep this in my number. And they come.
If you come out, you don't see us.
Bros,
no call us illiteracy.
Bros, one day. From today, let's do a first Igwe. And Igwe. What will be Igwe? One day, okay. You know the answer Igwe that they work. One day. Show me Igwe. One day, okay. In a half, people Igwe. We are about time. See. Anything want to talk. When I'm on my change, waka go stop. You never said it. After today, you come out. Now today I don't see you. That's my daughter. Una go sabi bukuru.
Hey, excuse me, sir. Good day, sir.
Odo.
Sir.
Good day, sir. Odo.
Sir.
Wow. My big boy.
Thank God. I came back yesterday, sir. I'm surprised. My father has changed. Telling you, he have changed totally.
Is that what? You see, it is the duties of we teachers to see that our students are useful to the community.
Sir, thank God. Thank God for you.
I can remember those days. Your father do come to class with a bottle of gin.
You remind me, you have stopped totally taking anything alcohol. Even the one I bought for him yesterday, he said that he's not drinking. My father told I stop drinking anything alcohol.
You see? Your father is now one of my best students. He listens to me. Whenever he finds anything difficult, he finds me.
No, I don't know what. No, I don't know what to do for you. I don't know. Been trying. Okay, let me see before I leave. No, I don't know. Let me see.
Hey.
What's that? Just take this. You are trying. You are trying. Sir.
You mean all this money for me?
I will see you again when I come back.
Is it just for teaching your father? Or what?
Sir, just take it. Okay? God will bless you. I will see you again when I come back to see my
Hey, Alabanko. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay,
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Became. How you not say I did here?
My lord, the love I have for you is imponderable. I feel your presence wherever you go.
You mean now?
Yes.
But which kind of powder will you talk about? Now, doesn't powder or morning rose powder?
It's not powder. It means that the love I have for you cannot be measured.
God, you mean tape no fit to measure?
I will do anything for you.
But if you love me, you make you kiss me. Kiss me.
I get one.
You brought your friends here to spoil our day.
No.
It's okay, I'm out of here.
No, this guy's a witch, he's a wizard. Charity, go, please now.
Don't call me.
We not spoil anything on one correct night.
The witch is a wizard. I don't know how they manage though. Is it what you don't cause? Is it what you don't cause, now, idiot?
What you cause?
I can't let someone come here.
You think they don't like what you do?
In the place, go punish all of them. I'm going to come over. I go.
You see the hell you're trying to shake.
No. God. Get up. Go. Wake up, brother. Wake up, brother. I beg, I take God, I'm not going to go because I don't fit to take this kind of one. I beg, I take God. I beg, make una just go down.
What do you mean by that?
Make una not just ask me any question again, make una just go. How go like this? No, go put sata for inside my garden.
Joke no dey good for night. I know they like joke for night. I beg. Come. I know they like joke for night. What that one mean? Say make we go for this midnight.
You open your mouth. They chase us and they come out.
Make una go. I don't fit to enjoy this one. This don't happen to me first, it happen to me second, don't happen to me third time. Make a day here again, make it come happen to fourth time. Let me say I don't full pass now. I beg I take what me that. I don't want to. I said job no dey good for that. I beg you get up. Go.
You don't serious now? Now 2 of us.
2 of us. Just move that, I beg.
Where you want me to go now?
If you don't like, make una go anywhere when I want to go. I beg, I take up, make una go. Hi. No, don't carry concrete. Put it inside my saddle. Go, I beg. I take up, baby. Go, I don't want to do that. Go, my beg. Hi. Go. No, but I mean, what did I mean? We punch you soup on a beg. I take up, baby now. Hi. I don't want to lay there. Chai. God. Thank God for revealing this people to me. If not, this boys, they say they be witchcraft. This don't tell me say they be witchcraft. I don't do good to complete myself. Which kind of rubbish be that? I said, which kind of rubbish be that?
No, just
for me.
No, just
push me, come on, shout for no reason. If I no sham, If I no sham.
No shout. The thing I know is one day he go look for us. Anyhow, anywhere we like making day, he must look for us. And when he look for us, we go tell him what
they push me like small pikin.
Come out.
Go where? We go where?
We go find where we go sleep.
First, so which place? We don't get house. We don't go our house, go sleep. Unless for midnight.
No make noise. As we say, no go out of our house.
No, they go there.
No go now. No go there.
Why won't you go and check, sir?
Nah, you go and check. Are you not the man of the house? Nah, you go and check. Go and check now.
If you go and check, will you have fun enough?
Make we tell them send away.
They're crazy. No, they say if we tell them send away, they're not going to open up. But if we put fear into them, they will open the door.
knock.
You go knock now. Anyone will knock digest.
Shh. Now you go and check now. Now you go and check.
You no get the money, get am for education. You no get the money, get am for education. As if you no get the money.